Hi, welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at how we count lists. Super easy, super quick, very important for Math Olympiads. Let's do it. So what do we mean by counting lists? Well, if I was to ask you how many numbers we have from 1 to 10, that's easy enough. You can just say, oh, well, from 1 to 10, I have 10 numbers, right? So we have 10 numbers from 1 to 10. And instinctively, if I was to ask you how many numbers you have from 0 to 10, well, you know that there's an extra one with the 0. So you'll think, okay, well, I have 10 numbers and I have another number for 0, which means I have 11 numbers. Okay, so that's easy enough. However, how many numbers do we have from 92 to 95? And I know that our first instinct here is to do 95 minus 92. And it's not entirely wrong, but realize that we need to make the difference between whether we have 3 numbers or 4 numbers, and we have to be sure about that. So how do we gain certainty? And this is where this little formula comes in quite handy. Well, from 92 to 95, if we count them out, we actually have 92, 93, 94, and 95. So we have 4 numbers. And when we do 95 minus 92, we get 3. So we need to be clear on the fact that there's an extra number because it's 92 to 95, including the 92. So we can say 92 to 95 inclusive. So just like anything in mathematics, there's a formula, which is to count lists, you do the last number minus the first number plus 1. So if you were to do the number of numbers from 92 to 95, you do 95 minus 92 plus 1, which is 3 numbers plus 1, so we have 4 numbers. And now you don't need to think about it anymore because you actually have a formula to rely on. So with that in mind, how many numbers do we have from 102 to 135? Let's think about it. 135 minus 102, that's 33. We need to add 1 to that, so there's exactly 34 numbers from 102 to 135. And that is how you count lists. Thank you for watching the Mathemagic channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.